1940s, 1950s bungalow, that era.
Right.
That era. All right, well, we're going to move it along now. We're going to walk the house. Thank you so much. And I'm going to definitely send you more people. I sent you, you're actually on my website. So if you ever go to Jennifer to you can go to my website. But they are on there. There's going to be a link if you go to letstalkorlando.com or .org, or you can go to Jennifer DeVivo Realty or find us on YouTube. You're going to have all of Cornerstone's information. You'll have all of Sean's information, and you'll definitely be in good hands, guys. Okay,
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, guys, so we are going to walk around this tiny home and look around and get an idea of what it's like. This was actually, like, when I came in here, Sean, what did you feel like when you came in to, like, what's the feeling?
The first thing I noticed is you got open space, open air above you. You know, I'm a pretty tall guy.
Yes,
so the first thing I think about is
he's a your background is sports, so he's like, we got a real sports job in here.
I look at this fan and there's enough ceiling room. There's a lot of light that comes through these big windows, so it feels open. It doesn't feel like a small square footage home.
Yeah, and these are regular size windows. You got, you can put your couch here. You can put another couch over this way. You could put your flat screen up there or mount it up in the corner. And then tell us a little bit, what was he saying about the installation?
Yeah, so these walls are all filled with foam. They're foam insulated in through the roof, and so the utility bills are way low. They're probably like half or what someone else's normal utility would be. I believe he said some of the wheeled units are about $20, $30 a month, which is really cheap.
I would love that. That's like my water bill on a good day when I'm on vacation.
And he's got these really cool windows in here. I forget how they work, but these kind of pop out and I think they open, they slide open, and they pop out. So I forget how he did it. But, look at that.
There you go.
Look at that.
Easy cleaning, guys. And you could, if you wanted to, there's a lot of customization that you can do. So one of the things he was saying is that when you come in, you can pick your paint colors.
Yeah.
You can pick different features.
Like this countertop is awesome. That's the first thing I noticed too. Not only is it a cool color, it's got texture to it, and it just makes that kind of rustic feel.
Yeah.
I like it.
And then also you have the vaulted ceiling, and these are USB lights, so very cool.
Yeah, LED recessed. Yeah. Most definitely.
Very chill. And then, you've got regular drywall in here, and then you've got the vinyl flooring.
Yeah. These are this is a new thing now. Everyone's going this way.
It's so easy. It's so easy
to clean, and you can't, unlike a wood floor, you can scratch it.
Yeah.
They've got all the other little neat touches too, like the easy close,
soft close drawers.
Wow.
Jay's already gonna move in here. He's like,
you.
I'm gonna have that house and this house, and then you have a double sink, what am I trying to say? Thank you. So you can still have a lot of the great amenities. Now, what they don't have over here is the stove, but you can have like your 4 burners or
It's a regular size stove opening.
And then take a look. Let's show them what the bathroom is like in here. So you have your full vanity, and then you have a walk-in shower. Let me get in there. I'll show them how that there's a lot of space in here, guys.
And this model is the shower only, no tub.
This is the you can have shower, and then they have ones that are 1 bedroom and ones that are 2 bedroom tiny homes. You've got your water closet right over here behind me, so you have your toilet. Did you ever see that episode I did? And there was actually a composting toilet.
Oh yeah, that was weird. How'd you figure out?
That was really not the best. Jay, did we lose you there? Oh, there you go. He's showing us exactly.
That's a real toilet, not a compost.
This is not a compost toilet. It actually works. It's the real deal, guys. And then you got a nice big window in here as well. So honestly, this is the size of a bathroom of a lot of the 1950s homes that I have shown. In fact, it has a little bit more space. Uh-oh, we got Sean playing with the door over here. So this is a barn door.
These are cool. This looks like stainless too.
You got your stainless steel fixtures over here. And you even have, like, again, like she said, it's built to code.
Yeah.
What did she say about the miles per hour for wind in terms of
yeah.
how does it stand up to winds?
They're all built to spec, which I believe is 140 or 160.
140 to 160,
Right.
and they're working on one that will withstand 180 miles.
For the keys, they're building a special home that's going to do 180 for the keys.
The standard is 140, but this one's 160,
60,
and
yeah.
the other one is 180.
Yeah,
Yes.
the Key West one.
So it
Yeah.
surpassed all the standards.
Yes, this surpasses the standards for most of the homes that you would buy. So
Right.
that's very surprising.
Yeah, and keep in mind, they had to do a lot of homework because I've known these guys for about 2 years, and we just closed on that first house last
Yeah.
year. But it took so long for them to get through all the rules and regulations for the state of Florida. And then, we had to go to VA because our first deal was a VA deal, so they had their own
Gosh,
building
that's
codes.
like double.
Yeah,
Double the
so
guidelines.
you're talking, it's VA, government approved, state approved, county approved. There's a lot of homework that these people had to put
Yeah.
into making this right. So
Yeah, I don't envy it. I just want to bring it to you and sell it to you if you want to live in a tiny home. This, what do we got here, Sean?
it's your stackable laundry, so you can put your washer dryer in here.
So yeah, you don't have to worry about that. And as Jay was pointing out in here, we have
your
lots of
closet.
closet. Now it's not as big as the big boutique closets as some of
It
the
goes
houses
up high
that,
too.
and it's very high. That's right.
And they have custom shelving and stuff you can put in here too.
So you could definitely don't have to shrimp on the luxury when you're going tiny.
And the whole idea is to be efficient, so not have like 20 pair of shoes, right?
All right, this is it. I need a room for my shoes.
You know
Tiny's not for me, not yet. When I'm old enough that all I care about is flip flops.
So you can't trim down to 10 pair?
No, I'm not ready for tiny yet. But if you are, we're going to show you something. We're going to walk through, so just mind it. It might get a little loud, but we're going to show you a new one that they're building that has the second story with the loft.
And maybe we can walk around this one a little bit too.
Yeah,
so you can see it.
let's show them on the outside, Jay, what this looks like. So you see, it has really beautiful curb appeal.
Yeah, I'm not sure what type of siding this is.
Yeah, they've got composite siding.
They have several different options, but I believe this one is vinyl. I'm not sure.
Yeah, but they try to use materials that are going to last long, be durable, and very cost
Easy on maintenance.
efficient, easy to maintain. So we're going to watch our step here, and we're going to head over. Now this one is so cool because look at the pitched roof, and this is what they're known for. Inside you're going to love this ceiling. It's like a diamond.
Now this is a
on the
wheeled unit,
inside.
by the way,
Yes,
too.
yeah. Show them the wheels.
the
Show the
wheels.
wheels. This one you can move it around, guys. You can go places in this one.
Pull
We're
behind you
gonna
with your
come
diesel
on in,
truck.
and this is they're work in progress. We're going to do a little shooting in here. Thank you. So you're going to see over here, guys. Look at the Max Push. Look at the stainless steel appliances. What? Oh my gosh. And then this one's like the espresso cabinets. And if you can, pan up and shoot the ceiling. Show them this amazing ceiling. So as you see, this one is about the same square footage as the other one, and this one is going to be a mobile unit. It's actually going to be a support unit. We can't tell you who it is, but what's going to be in here is going to be recliners. There's going to be a break room. These tiny homes are
A little office sleep, sleep a little siesta.
How are you going to get up there? Go ahead, show them.
Pull up.
So you can go
can
up
see
there.
up there.
Yeah, go ahead and show them up there. Normally there's stairs or a ladder, and that's a great place where you can relax, you can go to sleep. And I really love the fact that they have a little wall because the last one I was in did not have a wall. And like I move around when I sleep.
There you go. You might be on the floor.
So Sean, show them what's over that way.
So remember, work in progress. So this would be your water closet where your toilet would go. And then you have some nice shelving in here where your sink and stuff would be. And then there's a stand-up shower in this one as well. Now remember, the ceiling's lower here because we have a loft on top.
Oh, that's right. I didn't realize. Okay. Well, we're going to come on out here, and watch your step, Jay. This is where we're live, and we want to survive. That's a good one, right? We're
Live and survive.
You know, there's a lot of people dying on live video. We're not gonna be that couple. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up here, guys. Thank you. Yeah, we're like live and falling down. So I definitely thank you guys for joining us. We're good. Thank you so much for coming out and watching us here today at Cornerstone. We've got tiny homes. If you want more information, definitely reach out to me or go to my website, jenniferdevivo.com, or watch this, share it with your friends. Go to letstalkorlando.org. And if you want to get in touch with our superhero lender,
Yeah, you can look me up. Yeah, Sean Holley Loans.
Whoa, there we go, Sean Holley Loans.
Yeah, you can Google me, look me up on Zillow, Facebook. I'm out there.
Sean Holley, and all of his information will be available on the link again at letstalkorlando.org. You can reach out to Sean. And one last blast, on April 27th, guys, Sean is teaching our next first-time home buyer course. So tell your friends, your family. I know you all have people who need money and want to buy a house. So thanks. That about wraps it up. Thank you guys for watching Let's Talk Orlando. Bye,
Thank
guys.
you.
Thank you.